When I was younger, I used to believe that Allah lives in a house in the sky and I could go and see Him by climbing up a long ladder. But now I know that Allah does not live in the sky. Allah is everywhere. Allah is even with the moon and the stars, and He is everywhere on the earth. Wherever you go, Allah is there. You can never hide from Allah. Even at the bottom of the sea, with the fish, Allah is there too. Allah is also at the top of every mountain and in every valley and forest. Just like the air you breathe in, Allah is everywhere. Allah is not just in the mosque. He is also in the city, at home, at school, in the office and all the farms. He is everywhere. Everything you see around you in nature was made by Allah. Allah makes all the beautiful flowers, all the birds and fish. Allah even made you and me. If you could go in a spaceship to another planet, Allah is there as well. Even right now when you are watching this video, Allah is with you. He is your best friend. When you are good, you make Allah happy and He loves you even more.